how to install ViserLab script in your localhost or different types of panel. That's a cPanel, FastPanel, or cPanel. So I am discussing how to solve this. This is the existing media, so they are showing many issue as I am using localhost. So I am showing you how to solve this easily. Just go to your MySQL. So create a MySQL. So I am creating a MySQL. CS2. This is my MySQL database name. So let's create and edit here. Example. .env paste here cs2 .tst test. Just change the database root cs2 and my database name is root. Just delete this. The copy path. Okay, so just go the MySQL file and import from cs2 in str. Just click the database and paste here. So it will be import and go to cd cls. Here is the issue is checked here, there is no API key. So php addition key generate. SQL. Sorry, here is SQLite. Just click here MySQL. So again hit this. Issue is MySQL issue. So we have to wait. The case doesn't exist. CS2 case. So we have to wait when success. Everything is fine. So go here. This is use file and again hit this. CS2 base case system is issue. Q store case. This is also included in file. So and hit again. Now it's working fine. So check there is API case comes from our command. So go our website application file and come here. Just done. This is the one of the script of them. This is easy to handle. Okay, thank you.